Hello food lovers! Today is going to be a very easy recipe, king prawn and umibudo. And this is going to be a little bit of a fusion in between sashimi and ceviche. Two extraordinary ingredients, which are the king prawn and the umibudo, also called sea grapes or green caviar. This is an extraordinary seaweed. Now your king prawns have to be absolutely fresh. We also need a lime, we also need some mirin wine, and we need some shio koji. And we're going to serve this with sushi ginger, some nice slices of daikon radish, and wasabi of course. You want to have some ice cold water there, and we're going to peel our king prawns. Just twist the head. This goes very easily. Now I always preserve the heads in my freezer with other fish heads, and if you got a good amount of them, you can make a beautiful miso soup. Now we're just going to peel off the skin, and this normally goes very easy. You see, it's no problem at all. Here you go. Here you got that nasty bit you want to get out. I'm just going to slice it in half. Dry them, and then we're just going to slice them into nice bite-sized sashimi. I'm going to take a bowl, 4 tablespoons of shio koji sauce, three tablespoons of mirin wine, and we're going to press half a lime. We're going to add our king prawn, and we're going to let it marinate for 10 minutes. The lime juice and the alcohol from the mirin are actually going to cold cook the king prawns the same way as it's done with ceviche. Add some natural source water in a bowl. Sea raisins are preserved in seawater, so we're going to put them in the source water to wash them. And you will find a very curious thing that's going to happen. You see, it's like they're coming back to life. Now you can see what kind of texture this is. Leave them from 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to drain them. Chop some slices of radish. Get our little cups. Just a few drops of lime. Add the prawn. And here's a little tip for those who watch the video until the end. Use a little bit of sweet soy sauce on top. And that's going to be perfect. And here you go. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.